Hi, Rene with whyamigreen.com here, and today I'm going to show you how I winterize some of my hot peppers so I could keep the whole plant and have a head start next year. These plants right over here I'm going to be working with. This is a boot jalokia. And then I'm going to be doing it with a couple of the 7-pod golds over here. Very simple process. First, all you need to do is cut some of these branches down. Okay, so I'm just going to cut them right down here. That's simple. Don't worry about it. It's all going to grow back. Matter of fact, I even have a nice hot pepper here. And I'll leave that for now. I'll probably take care of it later on. I'm getting rid of a lot of the foliage, which is going to grow back, but the thing is, this plant's going to go in shock when I dig it out. So, some grass down here. The plant's going to go into shock, so what I want to do is I'm going to plant it. I'm going to cut down some of the roots, and the leaves are going to come back as it recoups, so it's going to go in shock with everything all at once. Now there's a good root system on here, and don't want to mess with it too much. I'm putting this one in a smaller one. Now if the roots are too long, just gotta cut some of those roots down so they fit. And you know how plants a lot of times are root bound. I'm actually going to make this one root bound in here a little bit, so the roots aren't going to grow really big, and the foliage will grow about as long as the roots. So what I'm going to do is put that right in there so you can see how that's going to fit. Let me get some more dirt in here first. And let's see, get more. Some more in there. Put this guy in here comfortable. So it's a pretty quick process, like you can see. I don't like to keep them out of the dirt too long. The least amount of shock, the better. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this upstairs after and put it in my greenhouse. I actually have a quarantine greenhouse for aphids that I'm going to show you later, because yes, I did get infested with aphids. Most of my plants did. And I'm going to show you how to take care of it. And that guy is pretty much winterized. And I'll give you videos throughout the winter to show you how everything's going. So there's one. And let's see, let's take just some small plants, and I'm going to just kind of put in a small pot later. Let's get a bigger one here. Oh boy, this guy has a lot of roots to him, this 7-pod. So let's cut him down. Can you see this one over here? Let's see, hopefully you can see that. Don't want to cut all the leaves off, but cutting quite a few of them off. These big ones that are a mess aren't going to be that good. Now we just got to dig them out. This is one of the 7-pod golds. Boy, what a strong root system. This soil is really soft, so they go down quite a bit. Let's see, get some of the leaves gone. Whoa, that looks like it's several plants all together. Get some dirt in here. Cut down some of the roots. Not cutting an awful lot of them. Some dirt around. I'll be watering them when I get them upstairs as well. And not in their final resting spot. And that's really all there is to it. Short, quick video on how to winterize these. Like I said, I'll be watering them and patting them down upstairs. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.